Welcome to a read along with Dr. Pal on the book Discrete Perspectives in Mathematics. This is subsection 4.3.8. Now, in the last subsection, we found a subgroup of S4 that was a rotation subgroup. And we can kind of look at what that appeared to be. So we had this kind of thing. 1 goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we had 1 goes to 4. 2 goes to 1. So kind of in this type of situation, so whatever occurs right here is what f of 1 is going to. Whatever goes, so f of 1 will be that. So kind of in this sense, like kind of, at least in the permutation sense, 1 going to 4. So 1 is going to the position of where 4 was. It's kind of induces kind of a counterclockwise type motion in our assignments of where things go. So, I mean, these pictures look pretty clockwise, how in the arrow positions. However, in the function definition itself of the assignments, it's kind of in a counterclockwise manner. Now, let's look at our function assignments if we did something with our picture as follows. We kind of looked from the back side. What if we drew those pictures that we had above and on a piece of glass, then looked on the other side of the glass? We'd see everything kind of in reverse. And then we just kind of, wherever we are in this position, on the left, top left, we let that be f of 1. We let, so that be f of 1. We let this be f of 2, that be f of 3, and that be f of 4. And we get these permutations here going on. These permutations, or these functions, preserve this kind of reversed arrow structure that we have going on here, kind of from the backside. So, so putting those together, so those other ones with these actually make a larger group. If you just put those 8 together, it's called the dihedral group of order 8. Here's a table for it. Kind of what we did is, you see this S right here? This S just simply is the operation of moving to the other side of the glass. So kind of flipping the position of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Basically, this guy right here is S. So if you put S and apply it to all of those guys that we had up here in turn, so you run these ones, and then you run S, and then you run S on that one, on that one, and that one, and that one after you do these. That's where you get the other ones. We can kind of see this in a table down here. So let's run down and look at this table. So you can see it in terms of cycle notation, or you could look at this one, which, so you see S, so you see S will run with against all of these. So kind of like the identity R squared, R cubed, you take those ones, that was like the H that we were dealing with. That was like the subgroup, the rotation subgroup. And then if you apply S to them, you get this whole table on 8 things. This subgroup is called D8, dihedral group of order 8. Thanks for watching.